The economy, without a doubt, is still fragile, and I can only tell you it won't get any better soon. However, since it's fragile, there's lots of opportunities that you can take advantage of that could potentially make you wealthy. If you are new to the channel, welcome. My name is Brandon Nichols, and I post content focused on upgrading your life in every aspect possible. So if that sounds like something you want to subscribe to and just join the community of high-valued men, then just subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and join the community. Alright, let's get right into the video. Alright, so one of the first things that I actually want to go over is there's a fact that goes, most millionaires become millionaires during recessions. And since we're going through a recession right now is the time to act. So how exactly do you act on that recession? Let's go through that right now. So since we are actually going through a recession, we've seen the stock market, the crypto market all go down. Lots of people, because they are emotionally attached to their assets, they all pull out because they are afraid of losing all of their money. So this is where you come in. Since everyone's taking all of their money out of assets because they're scared it will all go to zero, you are going to invest when everyone else is selling. A good thing to always do is when everyone is doing something, to do the opposite of that. So if everyone's investing in this cryptocurrency that is a meme coin and is expected to go to the moon, you do the opposite and you invest into other projects that no one is talking about. There's a very big chance that following what everyone is doing will not turn out well for you. So you need to do what other people are not doing. When Warren Buffett sees people selling all of their stock, he instead buys. But once you get into the investing market, once you get into investing, whether it be through real estate, stocks, or crypto, you need to not let any of your emotions become attached to your investing decisions. This is very important because if you let your emotions dictate whether or not you buy or sell something without logic or reason, you will lose money and you will not become profitable in whatever it is you're investing into. Currently, the stock and crypto market is down significantly, and this means that a lot of stocks and a lot of crypto are on sale for bargains, that all it takes is for you to open up a brokerage account and buy some shares of something that you have done research on and you've applied logic and reason to, that you feel has a very big potential for the future. Lots of great investors, when they see a decline like this, they see a money pit because they will put the money when everything is at the lowest, because when everything rebounds, well then guess what? They put all of their money into when it was low and now it's at its peak, then they sell. That's how you can play this game. While everyone, 90% of people, are selling everything and don't want to invest because they feel it's too risky, this is where you come in, you buy, you hold, and then you reap the rewards. I'm assuming that you have a consistent income and are able to put aside a certain percentage of that, because if you are, you can put aside 25% of your money and invest that into stocks or crypto after researching, like I said. And if you're able to do this on a consistent basis every time you get paid, whether it's through a job, whether it's through a side hustle, whether it's through a business, if you're able to consistently put money into the stock market and crypto, right now, there is no telling what could happen in your portfolio but good things. Now, I'm not saying that there is any guaranteed success, because to say that would be absolutely blasphemous. You cannot expect guaranteed success, but this puts you above so many other people, and this is what a lot of people do in order to become wealthy. Especially if you are someone younger watching this video, in order to escape the rat race and provide your future with a great foundation, now is the time to act more than ever, and it's only going to get worse throughout the year. So I highly suggest that you start to invest a current percentage of your money and reap the rewards in the future. That is simply the video. I wanted to keep it short and simple and straight to the point. If you guys did like it, make sure to leave a like and comment what you'd like to see next, or just any questions you might have for me. I'd love to answer them all. And without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next video. As always, peace.